Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 7 latest defense updates. Number 1, domestic production of Mango APF SDS round. Rosbaron Export, that is Rosdec, a prominent Russian defense exporter, has collaborated with an Indian company to establish the manufacturing of the 3VBM-17 Mango armor-piercing stabilized discarding sabot rounds within India. This initiative aligns perfectly with India's Make in India program, promoting self-reliance in critical defense equipment. The 3VBM-17 Mango APF SDS rounds are designed to penetrate and defeat armored vehicles equipped with composite armor. These advanced rounds are crucial for modern armored warfare, providing superior performance against heavily protected targets. The locally manufactured Mango rounds will equip Indian tanks with enhanced firepower, ensuring that can effectively engage and neutralize contemporary armored threats. Next, India opted for Israeli radar for Tejas Mk-1A. Not so long ago, India had opportunity to have same radar on its Rafale fighter jet, also on the LCA Tejas Mk-1A fighter jet fleet. French defense giant Thales offered a derivative of its RBE-2 radar used in Rafale jets for India's Tejas Mk-1A fighter variant. This development unfolded in 2017. Next, Rostec delivers 35,000 AK-203s to Indian Army. Indo-Russian Rifle Private Limited, registered and located in India, has produced and transferred 35,000 Kalashnikov AK-203 assault rifles to the Indian Ministry of Defense. The founders of the enterprises from the Russian side are Rostec, JSC, and the Kalashnikov Group. Both are subsidiaries of the Rostecs. Next, Armenia seeks India's help to match missiles of Azerbaijan. Armenia has reportedly approached India to inquire about acquiring Theater quasi-ballistic missiles, a move likely prompted by Azerbaijan's recent use of the Israeli-made LoRa system. The LoRa, boasting a range of 400 km, emerged as a concern for Armenia during the 2020 Nagorno-Karabakh conflict. Azerbaijan's deployment in the war's final days, particularly against the Lachin Corridor Bridge, highlighted the potential threat it poses. Next, unveiling new 6x6 mine-protected vehicle. Vehicle Factory Jabalpur, a unit of Armored Vehicles Nigam Limited, has set its sight on enhancing the Indian Army's capabilities with the proposed 6x6 mine-protected vehicle, that is MPV. This new variant was revealed in the form of a scaled model at the recent 9th International Police Expo and 8th Homeland Security Expo. The proposed 6x6 MPV leverages the success of VFJ's existing 4x4 MPVs currently in production for the Indian Army. Next, IAF's F-16 counter tactics. The Indian Air Force ability to evade AIM-120C AMRAAM missiles fired by Pakistan's F-16s during past conflicts can be attributed in part to their familiarity with the aircraft. This knowledge comes from various avenues of military cooperation. Next, Ukraine conflict accelerates robot warfare. The ongoing conflict in Ukraine has become a proving ground for modern warfare technologies, particularly the use of robotics and unmanned systems. As the war rages on, both sides have increasingly relied on autonomous systems, drones, and robotic vehicles to gain tactical advantages. This shift towards robotics warfare is not only reshaping the battlefield but also highlighting the urgent need for countries like India to upgrade their offensive firepower. Thank you.